Morning 7th class student. Now we are start the exercise of our lesson 2 the wise man part 1. कल जैसा आप जानते हैं मैंने आपको ये चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन किया है, इसका हिंदी अनुवाद बताया है आपको कि ये कहानी क्या है, किससे रिलेटेड है। और आज हम इस लेसन की जो एक्सरसाइजेज हैं उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस को करने वाले हैं अपने इस वीडियो में। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। टिक द करेक्ट आंसर्स ट्रू एंड फॉल्स। That means here are some sentences are given and you just tell to us that it is true or it is false. Is it true or false? Okay. So first one is Bhola's wife was Asha. True or false? So it's a false because Bhola's wife was Shanti. Next is Bhola spent little money for feeding his horse. It's also false because due to the spend lot of money for feed up his horse, he and his wife want to sell the horse in the market. चूँकि उनका घोड़ा कहीं ज़्यादा खाता था और उसके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा एक्सपेंस होता था, खर्च होता था, इस वजह से ही भोला और उसकी वाइफ ने सोचा था कि वो मार्केट जाकर उसे बेच देंगे। So second one is also false. Third is his wife loved to eat mango chutney. True or false? It's a true. The girl had a basket full of green mangoes. True or false? It's a true. Fifth one is Bhola gave the sheep to the girl in exchange for her green mangoes. True or false? It's a false because Bhola gave the sheep to the girl. नहीं, Bhola gave the hand to the girl. Okay, in exchange for her green mangoes. He just gave the hand, not the sheep. So here's our true and false. 5 true and false. First one is false. Second is also false. Third is true. Fourth is true. And fifth is false. Okay, students. Now come to the next question of this. So the next question is word power. Write one word for these. Here are some sentences given. We have to give the one word for these sentences. यहाँ पर एक वाक्य में उत्तर देना है आपको। यहाँ कुछ वाक्य दिए गए हैं, कुछ प्रश्न दिए गए हैं, उनके एक वाक्य में यानी गिव वन वर्ड आंसर, एक वाक्य में उत्तर देना है आपको। वन हु ट्रेन्स अ हॉर्स, इट्स अ हॉर्स ट्रेनर। ओके, जो हॉर्स को ट्रेन करता है वो कहलाता है हॉर्स ट्रेनर। One who look after sheep, it's shepherd, shepherd. One who rides and control an elephant, it's known as Mahavat. The person who control wild animals in a circus is ringmaster. So here's the 4 questions, one word answer. First one is horse trainer. Look after sheep, answer is shepherd. One who rides and control an elephant, answer is Mahavat. And the person who controls wild animals is in a circus, answer is ringmaster. Okay students, so here 2 exercise of the lesson 2 of class 8, the wise man's part 1 is now completed. You just give or write down these 2 questions in your notebook. Now come to the next question that match the 2 columns. Here are 2 columns as you see. First one is related to the second ones surely. So आपको जो जिससे related है उसको उसके साथ मैच करना है। A herd of cattle, मवेशियों का झुंड होता है तो herd of cattle. A bunch of grapes, अंगूरों का गुच्छा होता है तो a bunch of grapes. A heap of stones, पत्थरों की खान होती है तो the heap of stone. A bucket of flowers, बुके होता है flowers का. A swarm of bees, मधुमक्खी का छत्ता होता है. And an army of soldiers, सिपाहियों की आर्मी होती है. You just match the correct words with the correct sentences. Okay. Now, here's again we come to the next question of our exercise. Combine the pairs of sentences given below using who. In this question there are two sentences are given, A and B. दो सेंटेंस दिए हैं और आपको उनको मर्ज करते हुए एक सेंटेंस में कन्वर्ट करना है और who का यूज करना है. Okay, using with who. So the first question's two options or the two sentences are, the boy is wearing a blue cap. Sentence B is, the boy is the tallest boy in the class. So our answer for this question, we have to merge to both sentences in one word with adding who. So the boy who is wearing a blue cap is the tallest boy in the class. Second is, Seema studies in class 8. Seema is the most brilliant student of the class. We merge it. Seema, who studied in class 8, is the most brilliant student of the class. Next is, John is a good storyteller. John is telling an interesting story. What that mean? John जो है वो एक good storyteller है और उसकी सुनाई गई कहानी जो है एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी जॉन सुना रहा है. So John, who is a good storyteller, is telling an interesting story. You just match these two sentences in one sentence with adding who. Okay. Next is, Gurmeet helps the boy. The boy is blind. So Gurmeet helps the boy who is blind. Gurmeet ने लड़के की मदद की जो कि अंधा है. Gurmeet helps the boy who is blind. Okay. So here's your exercise third question. In word powers, third question is completed now. So all over the three questions related to true and false, one word answers, match the columns and combine the pairs. Actually these are the four main questions you have to do in your copy, in your notebook, with the heading of lesson 2, the wise man. Okay, and you just write down these all four questions related to the exercise, and in our next video we will continue with the question answers of this lesson. Thank you.